Let us do this question. In this, he says the maximum range of a bullet fired from a toy pistol. It is present on a car. Let us draw a car like this. Uh, there is a car on which there is a toy pistol, and the pistol has fired a gun. Pistol has fired a bullet. The bullet went like something like this, and it has fallen on the ground. Okay, so there is some range that has been prescribed. So the maximum range for this has been given as 40 meters. So let us take range is equals to u square sine 2 theta by g. So range is 40. So if at all you want maximum range, theta should be 45 degrees, sine 2 theta, that would be sine theta. So u square by g is my 40. Okay, that is my 40 meters. Now with this, I can find out the initial velocity of that bullet. U square is equals to 40 into 10. U is equals to under root of 400. That is 20 meters per second. This is the velocity with which the body was projected. That is 20 meter per second. This will have two components. One is u cos theta and one is u sin theta. The angle is 45. Okay, from this we have found out the velocity with which it was projected. Now what we will do is, now he is asking, the car is moving. Previously the car was stationary. Now the car is moving. Okay, the car is moving now. The car is moving with 20 meter per second and he's firing the bullet again. Has fired the bullet again. Again, it has reached the maximum range, has been reached. And this velocity, this angle, he's asking at what angle. Now, when I split into two components, that projectile, whichever is present, the horizontal velocity would be car's velocity and 20 cos theta. Both will be present here. Okay. Why? Because car is moving with 20 meter per second. And in this horizontal, it is u cos theta, that is 20 cos theta. U sin theta would be 220 sin theta only. We are not much bothered about that. This is 20 sin theta. He's asking this theta. Now, if I write range, range is equals to u square 2u square sine theta cos theta upon g. This is my range formula. Okay. So I can simply write it as r is equals to 2u sine theta u cos theta upon g. We can write like this 2u sine theta into u cos theta upon g. So dr by d theta, if I do, then whenever dr by d theta, if I do, that should be 0 when range is maximum. When range is maximum, dr by d theta must be equal to 0. We have got the equation r is equals to 2u sine theta into u cos theta by g. So I'll write it here. R is equals to 2u sine theta into u cos theta upon g. And I have to differentiate this equation with respect to theta. So this u cos theta, whatever is present, this is actually now it would be 20 plus u cos theta. Why this horizontal velocity is 20 plus u cos theta? Because we have to add car's horizontal velocity also upon g. Right? Now, r is equals to 2 by g into u sine theta into 20 plus u cos theta. This is what is left. Now let us differentiate. If I differentiate this equation with respect to theta, dr by d theta would give me 2 by g is a constant, it will be as it is. Now this is a into b, u into v method. First we'll differentiate u, we'll keep v as it is, then we'll differentiate v and keep u as it is, the same thing. Let me put u sine theta as it is and let me differentiate this second part. If I differentiate that, I am going to get 20 is anyhow going to go. That is minus u sine theta. Okay. Plus, then I will keep this as it is and differentiate this. That will give me 20 plus u cos theta into u cos theta, because sine theta's differentiation is cos theta. This would give me 2 by g into minus u square sine square theta plus 20 u cos theta plus u square cos square theta. Now what we do is, this is my dr by d theta. Let us, what we do is, dr by d theta is equals to 2 by 10. Let us substitute the value of u, which is equals to 20 meter per second, which we have got in the first equation. So u is 20 meter per second. Let us put that. That is minus 400 into sine square theta plus 20 u 20 into 20 cos theta. That is 20 into 20 cos theta. 20 into 20 cos theta plus 400 into cos square theta. That would be 2 by 10. In everything, 400 is present. I can take 400 common. So if I take minus 400 common, this would be sine square theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta. This and this will go. So 40 minus 20 is minus 80 sine square theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta. Sorry, here also we should get minus. Here also we should get minus 400 cos square theta and minus cos square theta. That will be, this is 0. So if this is 0, this 80, if we hundred there, that will also be 0. So sine square theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta. Now what I can write is, this sine square theta can be written as sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, fine. So we can write that 1 minus cos square theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta is equals to 0. If I send this everything there, that would be 2 cos square theta. This both will be minus 2 cos square theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equals to 0. This is our quadratic equation which we are going to get. Let us assume cos theta. Let cos theta is equals to x, then it will become 2x square plus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then we have to factorize this equation. If I want to factorize this equation, then what we can do, let us factorize this equation. When we factorize this equation, we are going to get, the roots would be either x is equals to minus 1 or x is equals to plus half. These are the two roots that we are going to get. Now, that means cos theta is equals to minus 1 or cos theta is equals to plus half. If cos theta is half, theta would be equal to 60 degrees or theta is equals to 180 degrees. 180 degrees is not possible because it has to go in this way only. If 180 degrees is there, it will go backwards, which is not possible. So 180 degrees is not possible. 60 degrees would be your answer. Okay. So it would be cos theta is 60 degrees. So the maximum projection would be 60 degrees. I hope you understood this solution. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.